Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and today we are making oxtail stew. Now this stew takes a lot of time and patience, so bear that in mind. As always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So first thing first, we need to wash any impurities from the oxtail. So I washed it in lemon water and I left it in the lemon water for about 30 minutes whilst I get my ingredients ready for my seasoning. So what I did is that I chopped some garlic, ginger, parsley, Scotch bonnet, onion, peppers, so the red, yellow and green peppers. Then I blended it all together with Worcestershire sauce and water to make a paste for later on. I then season the meat with black pepper, all peppers, garlic salt, nutmeg, ginger powder, coriander leaf, thyme and the paste that I made. I mixed it all together. I then added the remaining vegetables to the meat and I allowed that to marinate for at least an hour. If you do it overnight, much better, but I did it on the same day, so I left it aside for an hour for it to marinate. After the hour, I added olive oil to a preheated pan and added 4 tablespoons of brown sugar to it. I make sure that the pan was on low heat. You don't want to burn the sugar. Once the sugar turns to golden sort of color, that is when you brown the oxtail, and you just brown it for about 5 to 10 minutes, your choice, and then this is how it will look. It's looking all nice and golden. I then cooked the paste and the vegetable for about 10 minutes before adding the oxtail to the mix, and I added 2 cups of water, about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and then I lowered the heat for it to cook for about 2 hours. No jokes, this meat is hard, so it needs time to cook nice and slow. So after 2 hours, this is how it's looking. See that there's a little bit of oil coming on top of the stew. I then covered it up and cooked it again for another hour. So in total, I've cooked this for 3 hours, and this is how it turned out. 10 minutes before I served, I added 2 chopped fresh tomatoes and parsley to the mix, and here is the end result. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!